Kingdom Spouses Network, Kings of Relevant Achievers Impacting Nations, RAIN presents Life, Love, and Relationships by author Ralph Antwi on Spring 102.7 FM every Saturday from 8th February 2014 from 1:30 p.m. to 2:15 p.m. Tune in to this program for uncommon depths, insights, and inspiration concerning life, love, and relationships. Author Ralph has written and published 28 life-transforming books, including Freedom of the Bride, Recharge Forward, Secrets Every Unmarried Lady Must Know, and 10 Deadly Men Every Woman Must Avoid. He's a conference speaker, events host, and a mentor to thousands of people globally. Make a date with author Ralph Antwi on Spring 102.7 FM. Spring 102.7 FM. This and every Saturday.